The silence is louder than words. Have you ever stared at your screen, waiting for a reply that never came? Watched someone you care about walk right past you, like you didn't even exist? That hollow feeling in your chest. The overthinking, the self-doubt, the slow destruction of your self-worth. But here's the truth. They're not just ignoring you. They're controlling the narrative without saying a single word. And if you don't respond the right way, you hand them all the power. In this video, I'll reveal what you must do immediately when someone starts ignoring you, before the silence becomes your prison. Step 1. Don't chase the ghost. When you're ignored, your first instinct is to chase, to send one more message, to ask, "Did I do something wrong?" To prove your worth. But the more you chase, the smaller you become. You're feeding the illusion that their silence defines your value. Psychologically, this behavior triggers reward-punishment loops in the brain. They withhold attention, and you crave it more. Like a lab rat pressing the button for a treat that never comes. Don't chase the ghost. Ghosts feed on energy. Starve them instead. Step 2. Shift the spotlight. Silence makes you obsess over them. What are they thinking? Why did they stop talking? What did I do wrong? But here's the shift. Bring the focus back to yourself. Start a project. Go silent yourself. Work on your appearance, your mindset, your routine. In psychology, this is called self-reclamation. You're not reacting, you're refocusing. And when the person who once had your attention sees the spotlight is now on you, their silence turns into anxiety. Step 3. Mirror their energy, but sharper. If they give you silence, give them distance, but not out of revenge, out of respect for your own peace. Think of it like a chess game. They've paused their move, so you sit back calmly and plan yours. The trick is not matching their energy, it's mirroring it, but with more control. No bitterness, no games, just calm detachment. That calmness, it's disarming and unsettling because they expected a reaction and you gave them none. Here's the dark truth. Sometimes people ignore you not because you're unworthy, but because they know you care. They use silence as a weapon, a silent scream for dominance, a manipulation tactic to control your emotions without lifting a finger. But the moment you stop needing their response, you take the weapon out of their hands, and in that quiet space, something powerful happens. You hear your own voice again.